In the rush of daily life, we often forget that the earth is our greatest healer. Take a few quiet moments each day to walk barefoot on grass, soil, or sand. Let your feet kiss the earth, your breath slow down, and your energy return to its source. This simple act of grounding calms the nervous system, releases accumulated stress, and restores balance. It gently activates and heals the Mooladhara root chakra, the energy center of safety, stability, and connection to the physical world. As you root yourself in the present, you begin to feel supported, safe, and whole. Mother Earth holds you always.